Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a template in CapCut. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the CapCut. So you simply need to click on that. And so let me open from CapCut because you can see there is an update and I need to update that. So let me open CapCut from my smartphone. Okay, so once you open CapCut, you simply need to skip this step and click on templates. And let's suppose I want to use this template. You simply need to click on that, and in the bottom you can see use template option. You simply need to click on that, and let's suppose I want to use with this photo. So now you can preview it and it will take few seconds. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.